Hi everyone. So what I'm going to do and cover in this video is how you're going to sell your alternative puts, or what we call the put spreads in terms of strategy. So first we'll pick a stock. So for example, today we're going to pick Coca-Cola. So I'm going to enter KO into the stock symbol box. So KO under the trade tab. So when we enter KO, it'll pull out all the stock and option prices on the TD Asia platform. So once we have that, so what we're going to do next is we're going to choose our expiry date. So for example, I'm going to choose September monthly expiry. So we're going to have the first week of September here, the second week, and then the third week. So every monthly options on the platform is always different color coded, and it does not have the weeklies in brackets beside it. So I'm going to expand it over here. And when I expand it over here, as usual, the put options are on the right hand side. So you can see over here what's happening is the stock price for Coca-Cola is 44 right now. And say for example, I've identified that 42 is a strong support level. So I'm going to pick 42 strike to sell, which currently has a bid price of 12 cents and an ask price of 14 cents. So I can probably try and sell it for around the middle, which is 13 cents. And I'm going to pair this sell strike over here with a buy strike that is far enough and that's probably cheap enough too as well. So looking at the option premiums, the bid price stops at about 37 strike. But the ask price keeps going, so if I had to estimate, I'll probably try to pair it up with the 35 strike. So I'll probably do a 42, 35 put spreads, and I'll try and sell the 42 for 13 cents, and I'll try and buy the 35 for say 2 cents. So that will give me a credit of about 11 cents for this pair. So now I'm going to set up the order. So I'm going to first click on the bid price for the strike price I'm selling. So that brings out the sell order form, as you can see in red over here. Now what I need to do next is I need to add the buy line into this order form, which is actually a second line. So what I'm going to do is, before I click the ask for the 35 strike, which is the other strike to pair it up with, I'm going to hold on to my keyboard control button, CTRL. Right, I'm going to hold on to the control button, press it down, and I'm going to click on the ask price. Now as you can see, when I do that over here, what happens is instead of overriding and deleting the previous order, it actually adds a second line to the last order that I placed. So now it's paired up, I'm selling the 42 put and I'm buying the 35 put. This is done, so all I need to care about now is the quantity and the price. Now, so quantity, I'm going to adjust it to say 2 combos. Alright, and then for the price, earlier I mentioned 13 cents and 2 cents. That will be an 11-cent credit. I'm going to change it to 11 cents. And next thing I'm going to do is to click confirm and send. Alright, when I've done that, all I need to do is to double check. I'm selling 2 vertical 42 35 puts for 11 cents credit. Now when that is done, all I need to do is to click send. Alright, so when I click send, my order is done. Alright, so I just need to check if my order is there in the system. Right, now so I'm going to pull up the arrows bar. Right, and under order and strategy book, my order should appear and it should say working, as you can see on the screen over here. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you.